In this video, I will be showing you how to install Claude Science desktop app on Mac. So let's get started. For this, just search for Claude Science. We'll be getting two links. One is from Claude and another one is Anthropic. Just open both of them. In the Anthropic link, if you want to know more about this Claude Science app, you can just go through it and be aware about the use cases, if it really suits you or not. If I come to the Claude link over here, we'll be having the download option. So I will just select it. It is around 66 MB in size. Claude Science app analyzes, searches databases and traces every step from data wrangling to publication. And apart from that, if you just scroll down, we'll be having a demo video how things work over here. And here they're having some use cases. Okay, so if you just collapse it, and you can simply expand and get to know each use case. For example, here we are having figures, tables and notebooks include the exact code, environment and conversation that produced them, so which can be edited or defended months later. So we're having built-in scientific renders and results that can check and correct themselves. So you can just like go through it, what are the functionalities of this Claude Science. Okay, so basically it's super useful in case if you're college students or doing some research on scientific papers or something. Claude Science app is in beta mode for Mac and Linux and only on the Pro, Max, Teams and Enterprise plans. So I guess if you're having the free plan, you can't use it because they haven't mentioned here anything about the free plan, and also Windows hasn't been mentioned over here. So now I will just go and open it and double click on the icon, select open and click on install. Just select sign in with Claude AI, click on authorize. I'm having the pro account, so after we click on authorize, we'll be getting set up Claude for your science. It says connect Claude to your work, your lab tools and scientific web. I'll just click on continue. Another thing that I noticed in their official tweet was they're having around 60 plus optional scientific databases with which you can connect. So that's really amazing. Now let's come back to the setup. After you click on authorize, we'll be getting this allow all categories. Domains Claude can reach from the sandbox like papers, sequences, structures and the databases behind them. So if you just scroll it, we'll be having here pharma, literature and citations, and we're having biology and some other stuff. So you can just check the ones that you want to mainly research. Okay, so I'll just go with everything and click on continue. And next we are having connectors and skills. By default it comes with 24 of the 41 connectors on. So it says research connectors from Anthropic. Let me just enable it. I'll go with the default one. And skills, we are having 13 on 13 on. So I'm fine with this. These are basically like related to scientific skills and connectors. Really important, you go with the default one, or else you can change it as per your use case. After that, click on continue. And here it says what do you work on. Basically, in case if you are a researcher or if you're working on a specific field, you can just mention that over here. You can even attach a paper or a readme file also. For example, here they have given an example over here. This is optional, you can skip it also or add it later also. So I will just select skip. So you're saying where do we start? It's fine, I will just skip it. If you want, you can just straight out the first task. Set up web access, I'm fine with this. I'll just go with the default one and click on keep defaults. So I guess this is going to be the Claude Science interface. It's opening in the Chrome browser and it has this particular localhost port. We'll be having this Claude Science icon. So if you just open it, it's getting opened in Google Chrome. So here we are having getting started and example projects. So if you want to like go through it, you can go to the example projects and check it out. These are like pre-existing projects that they have given, related to some cell types. So you can just go through it, what they have done over here. And apart from that, if you want to go with a new project, select this and just specify your project name as well as the description and the main context. For example, here you can see, right, what are you mainly using this particular agent for. Okay, so I'm just going to give some random name and description. Don't do this, just give a brief description what you want to do in your project or research. Okay, I'm just going with plant leaf cell, okay, just to show you a demo, and click on create. We will be having a new chat interface like this. Here you can simply attach your files, or even you can literally like grant a folder permission also. So you can simply select the folder also. By this way, it can access all the files inside that folder. After that, you can simply ask questions and literally ask it to research, create papers, or just search the web on any specific topic, etc. You can also use the artifacts as well as the skills also, which gives its additional functionality. So to use the artifacts, it's going to be at, and if you're having any like particular sample, you can just like do that. And for skills, it's going to be slash. So you can simply make use of any existing skill if it's like related to your particular research type. So just use it and let me know how it's useful for you. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.